What's going on, everybody? It is last day of the trading week, second trading day of the month. Didn't trade yesterday, just took a quick little day off. SPY still moving up here. Looking like yesterday was relatively uninteresting, I guess. Usually seeing giant ranges, and it looks like we only saw about a $3 range yesterday. So 273 clearly in play. SPY kind of come back to that level. Ultimately, what I would want to see happen is we come back to 273 and start holding for a long, looking for the bounce. If not, it's looking like 276 might be an okay spot to look for shorts. So I'm kind of going to play in between those 3 points there. Anything else in between isn't overextended or oversold. So if there's any, typical triangle VWAP pattern plays or something, I'll be looking to take those. But as for trading around significant hold number daily levels, looks like 276 and 273 is what I'm going for. Baba actually, I think, had split earnings. Yeah, beat and missed. Ended up really being all over the place. So I'm actually looking at a gap and go down on this open here, as it looks like the rest of everything else isn't doing much of anything. So let's see what Baba does. There's the volume explosion. So it looks like we can get something short underneath 152. Go already. Everything's dropping pretty hard here. AMD, Apple's moving down a point already. But I was really seeing a sell-off here. Not a bad spot to try and get a dip by. Well, alright. I don't think I saw a single gap and go play this week. Apple's kind of interesting here. Big sell-off, and then right towards the open here, tons of buy-in. 2970. Yeah, gonna miss it. Thought I might see like a hidden sell or something there. We're just getting stuck at this 25. Nope. Could be a good opening range candle though. We're kind of getting above this consolidation here. And just big sellers there at 50. Oh, Starbucks is really strong. Alright, looking for opening range plays here. Two possible shorts. Well, this is the last candle here. So unless Starbucks does exactly what it's doing, I can take it long over, stay open on this, 66. Yeah, 500 is too big. I think 300 might be about it. I think I like KHC better. Ah, just turn that circuit breaker on. Never mind. If that circuit breaker wasn't there, I'd be thinking differently. Oh my god, man. This thing's already gone. Dude. I just missed it. I ain't buying it anymore because I'd be taking it off. That's stupid. Pretty weak pullback there. Spike's pretty strong. Unless we get a death candle here. Anything under 60, I'd want to get in. But it ain't looking good right now. didn't quite make a higher high here. So if anything, we're almost starting to make a flag. SPY's making new high day. There it goes. It's going right now. Not a fast move. Well, came in touch View app once. Wonder if he'll do it again. It's still a circuit breaker, so we'll have to time it. Alright, well, I'll turn this back on when I see something. Okay, I'm looking at Starbucks here. I'm thinking I need to see it right now on the tape. There it is. I think my order might have been too tight on it, though. Stop loss underneath this 27 here. I'm trying to catch it on a pullback down to these moving averages or any kind of bounce, really. Just stuck inside this consolidation here. I'm thinking it's getting ready for a breakout. Keep making higher lows each and every time here. See if we can do it again. Make sure my spots are all right here. And we're getting in towards that, which might, I don't know. It's not. I like the pattern. It's definitely making a flag here. It's gonna go. Just got a bunch of resistance spots. I got one at 50 and one at 90, and I mean we're kind of stuck right in between that. Fine. Okay, I've been watching NWL for some time now. We're definitely getting stuck in this consolidation up here. I have a feeling there's going to be a trade either direction. We keep tapping up against this 03. There's definitely a clear hidden seller here. SPY's starting to move now, so I'm going to try and get in on this. Stop loss is going to be just underneath it here. It's like 93 it was. Looking to take off majority on a pop if we get one. I'm in. It's not exploding, but it's very slow up here. Buyer stepped up. Need to be cautious about that 10. That's the previous high day. Oh, jeez. I guess me and everybody else decided to hit out too. 200 shares left. Just gonna let the rest go and see what happens. I think it was a microsecond slower than that other seller. Yeah. Don't like it. I'm not trying to, just a scout, not trying to do a long-term hold here. SPY just got underneath view app, but I'm definitely not trying to fight the SPY, so minus $3, no big deal. There could be a trade to the other side of this, because if we do end up failing up here at 10, I want to take this thing short underneath this consolidation, because anybody that's long in here definitely going to be looking to get out, especially if it can't break high day here. So I want to put a new order. Yeah, 93 is the spot. Well, I saw 11 on the ask. Big seller just popped in there. See, it's 20,000. Yeah, somebody took it. Nothing else looking super fancy right now. SPY is dropping the new lows here, sitting at 274. Oh shoot. That happened faster than I thought it would. If I can get back up to 90, I'll pop the 1,000 in. But these trades are supposed to go and not turn back around. I mean, we already pretty much basically touched this 80. And now it might just be bouncing and want to go right back up to high day. I should have already been in and out. Ugh. It is an ugly day of missed trades. My God. Alright, something's going on in KHC. Got to a low of 97. It's a circuit breaker. I wouldn't be able to time it. I think I'm going to try and get in early on this. I do like what it's doing here. If we can get a little closer to this 15 and see another bounce here, I'll short 500 with a stop right above it. Not close enough. NWL is going back to high day. A little higher. I can get better than that. Still 4-cent spread here. Oh, come on. If we get 7 or 8 again, I'll hit it. Stop ordering right above. Holy. I don't even... What the hell, man? What just happened? Like, you gotta be kidding me. Alright, I have to be done for the day. There's just too many negative aspects going on right now that I just can't seem to get over. First and foremost, there's just way too many missed trades today. I mean, Starbucks, good opening range play. I don't know what happened. I just didn't get it. Was looking for another pullback buy around here, and I mean, I just missed it. It skipped over my order by a few pennies, and I mean, never came back down for me to get in. I mean, we made that pop above. And that was the end of it. I wasn't looking to buy over here because after this move, you know, I'm just looking for that quick scalp, which is, you know, exactly what it did. Didn't get what I wanted. NWL. Looking for a long at first and then a short after it broke underneath the range, and again, missed the short. I think Baba. I don't think there was anything on Baba that I missed. Apple, definitely missed a good short on Apple. Got right underneath VWAP. Moving averages, the 9 caught up with it. Take a short right underneath the consolidation. Perfect trap trader. VWAP trade. SPY's coming down a little bit still, but really nothing much to see there. And then KHC, just the absolute short squeeze from hell. I just never once in my career have I seen something that bad. I mean, this is supposed to be a $50 loss that 5 times the amount of risk that I was taking is what I actually got hit on. I went over and I rewatched the tape, and I mean, just, I was last in line, I guess. I don't really know what else to say. I mean, it just exploded, and I mean, I was the last guy to get out on that. You know, there's plenty of people, I guess there's algos, because that'll happen within like a quarter of a second. There's no way I'd be able to time a short up there. I don't know, I'm kind of speechless, really. I just can't, I don't know. I can't believe it happened, but it did, and it's whatever. I mean, that definitely took a big chunk of my weekly profits away there. I was sitting up, God, I was sitting up like, yeah, that took away my weekly profits. I was sitting up like $200, and now I'm down $250, so I'm probably down $50 plus commissions on the week, so. But I got a bunch of reviews to do, so I'm going to finish up this video, get it going and everything, type in my stats, report card on it, and then I got to do a weekly and a monthly, so I'll be flipping this back on shortly.